Pedestrians can cross the road only at which location? A. None. B. At anywhere. C. At zebra crossing. D. Near the signals. The correct answer is C. At zebra crossing. How can the expansion of liquids be observed? A. By measuring the mass of a liquid. B. By placing a solid in warm water. C. By observing a thermometer in warm water. D. By cooling a liquid to its freezing point. The correct answer is C. By observing a thermometer in warm water. What is a characteristic of all allotropic forms of carbon? A. They are all solids. B. They are all liquids. C. They are all gases. D. They are all amorphous. The correct answer is A. They are all solids. Which country was involved in the Economic Cooperation Administration (ECA) with the US? A. Soviet Union. B. China. C. United Kingdom. D. Japan. The correct answer is A. Soviet Union. How does propane differ from propene based on the common classification? A. Propane is cyclic. Propene is open chain. B. Propane is unsaturated. Propene is saturated. C. Propane is saturated. Propene is unsaturated. D. Propane is an isomer of propene. The correct answer is C. Propane is saturated. Propene is unsaturated. What was a key difference between other Protestant Reformations and the Lutheran Reformation? A. Their emphasis on papal authority. B. Their doctrinal approach. C. Their geographic origin. D. Their approach to selling indulgences. The correct answer is B. Their doctrinal approach. The diagram shows Japan located near which body of water? A. Bering Sea. B. Arctic Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Caspian Sea. The correct answer is C. Pacific Ocean. What typically happens to metals when they lose electrons? A. They become electropositive. B. They become insulators. C. They become neutral. D. They become electronegative. The correct answer is A. They become electropositive. Which of the following states is given as an example of having a bicameral legislature? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. The Calendar Reformation Committee was headed by Meghnad Saha on which date? A. 26 January 1950. B. 22 March 1957. C. 15 August 1947. D. 1 January 1950. The correct answer is B. 22 March 1957. Mercury is described as the nearest planet to what? A. Jupiter. B. The Sun. C. The Moon. D. Earth. The correct answer is B. The Sun. What is a characteristic of capital concerning its movement? A. Capital has zero mobility. B. Capital has the highest mobility. C. Capital has the lowest mobility. D. Capital is fixed in location. The correct answer is B. Capital has the highest mobility. Which type of polymer is mentioned alongside thermoplastics? A. Composites. B. Elastomers. C. Thermoset. D. Fibers. The correct answer is C. Thermoset. What is the current total number of members in the Lok Sabha? A. 545. B. 552. C. 543. D. 550. The correct answer is A. 545. What can be altered to observe sound waves from different interfaces? A. Frequency and amplitude. B. Volume and tone. C. Wavelength and period. D. Speed and pitch. The correct answer is A. Frequency and amplitude. During muscle contraction in the upper arm, what physical change occurs to the biceps muscle? A. It becomes short and thick. B. It becomes long and thin. C. It becomes long and thick. D. It becomes short and thin. The correct answer is A. It becomes short and thick. How many levels of government are typically found in a federal form of government? A. 3 levels. B. No levels. C. 2 levels. D. Only 1 level. The correct answer is C. 2 levels. When a beam of white light is deviated and dispersed by a prism, what is the process called that separates it into colors? A. Refraction. B. Absorption. C. Dispersion. D. Reflection. The correct answer is C. Dispersion. Which condition describes when the velocity of an object decreases with time? A. V is equal to 0. B. V, U. C. V, U. D. V is equal to U. The correct answer is B. V, U. What happens to settled materials at the bottom during the initial treatment phase? A. They are removed. B. They are chemically treated. C. They are allowed to decompose. D. They are recirculated. The correct answer is A. They are removed. What is the approximate diameter of a common cold virus? A. 0.2 nanometer. B. 9 nanometers. C. 2 nanometers. D. 30 nanometers. The correct answer is D. 30 nanometers. What is the charge of the nearer end of an uncharged rod when a positively charged rod is brought near it? A. Neutral. B. Positively charged. C. Alternating between positive and negative. D. Negatively charged. The correct answer is D. Negatively charged. Which type of plants are typically seen with taproot systems? A. Coniferous plants. B. Dicots. C. Aquatic plants. D. Monocotyledonous plants. The correct answer is B. Dicots. What is a consequence of increased gastric secretion caused by smoking? A. Improved digestion. B. Decreased acid reflux. C. Reduced risk of ulcers. D. Gastric and duodenal ulcers. The correct answer is D. Gastric and duodenal ulcers. What does R represent in the context of satellite calculations? A. Orbital velocity. B. Height of the satellite. C. Gravitational constant. D. Radius of the Earth. The correct answer is D. Radius of the Earth. Credit cards and debit cards are examples of which form of money? A. E-money. B. Plastic money. C. Savings certificates. D. Bills of exchange. The correct answer is B. Plastic money. What is the primary focus of biometrics? A. The study of synthetic materials. B. The study and analysis of human body prints. C. The analysis of economic development. D. The creation of new chemical compounds. The correct answer is B. The study and analysis of human body prints. What percentage of carbon does subbituminous coal contain? A. 45 to 54%. B. 35 to 44%. C. 25 to 34%. D. 55 to 64%. The correct answer is B. 35 to 44%. To better understand movements brought about by the musculoskeletal system, what three components need to be understood? A. Joints, skeleton, and types of muscles. B. Nerves, blood vessels, and skin. C. Hair, nails, and teeth. D. Kidneys, liver, and lungs. The correct answer is A. Joints, skeleton, and types of muscles. Which river is the Vegi Dam built across? A. Periyar River. B. Kaveri River. C. Bhavani River. D. Vegi River. The correct answer is D. Vegi River. How did you score?